Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5075E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor also has a loader prep package, so it does have the loader frames and joystick already on the tractor. We do have new loaders available to fit this tractor, so if you do need to add a loader, certainly contact us. We can help you with that. Tractor has just a couple hours on it. I believe it's 5 or 8 or 10 hours, whatever it is. It is practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. So again, practically a new tractor here. Paint looks new, tires look new. Tractor really has not been used. It's got the corner post exhaust, and again does have the loader frames and the loader valve. Still see the pips in the rear tires here. Has a drawbar, top link, stabilizers all on the tractor. Rear hydraulic outlet back here. Has a 12-12 power reverser transmission. Super nice tractor. Does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2028. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.